Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial we are gonna look at how to sign in to Kick. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding how to install it, so worry not. Initially, once you open the application, you will be redirected to this page. From here, all you guys need to do is click on this button called as Login. Click on it. And once you do that, what you guys need to do is simply enter your email address or Kick username. Once you've done that, simply enter your password and click on Login. In context that you've forgotten your password, click on this Forgot button right here and simply follow along the prompts. For now, I'm just gonna enter my password right here. As you guys can see, I have entered it. Now all I'm gonna do is click on Log In. And guys, that is it. Once you click on it, you will be signed in to your Kick account. That sums it up, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.